to my channel, and today it's day 2 of our vlog as we're taking the road and we're going to see all the nice places around Mpumalanga. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me, so let's go ahead and enjoy. This is my outfit for the day. Not sure if you guys can see it properly, but yes, all about chilled weather. And yes, I'll take you guys along. So otherwise I'm just done getting ready and we are ready to hit the road, so I'll see you in a bit. Now we're ready to go. On the way, and I'm carrying some unhealthy snacks. Yes, so yes, we are on the way, guys. You can see. Ooh, it's gonna be fun. I love seeing new places and coming to places that I've seen before already, so that's gonna be fun. Okay guys, this is the reception area. We are still within the lodge because there's something that we wanted to drop off before we actually take the road. We're going to see if we can get to God's Window. Last time we were here, we're in a different place though, but the God's Window, we couldn't go there because the fog was too much. So they told us that we're not going to actually see anything, so we're starting there today so that we can actually check and see if we can be able to see the view, and then we'll see other areas like Rondavels, and the Echo Caves. Otherwise, this is how it looks. But what I wanted to tell you guys is it's about the heated pool. Let me show you first. Yes, those 2 pools are heated pools. We went on one. We went in last night on one of them, and the water is very warm, very warm. But you know what sucks? Getting out of the water when it's so cold outside. So after we actually went in, it was nice, we chilled 30 minutes or so, and then now we had to leave. Is the word. It was so cold. We ran to the car so that we can be able to warm ourselves up. It was so cold, guys, but because I like things, I wanted to experience the heated pool, which I think I'm gonna go to again. I'm gonna go in again maybe tomorrow. I'll see tonight. I don't know why, but yes, it was hot inside, but when I had to leave, it was freezing cold. So, but I did enjoy it myself. Okay, we're about to go and see Natural Bridge. So let's see what we have. Ooh, look at that! I'm not sure. Okay guys, we are at Pinnacle Rock. I'm not sure exactly how it looks and all those things, but we are going to find out together. So let's see what Pinnacle Rock is all about and what's happening. one of those things you want to see with your eyes. Like, I know now it looks like just another mountain. But you guys need to see this with your own naked eyes. Like, look at this rock. I think that's the pinnacle rock. Let me zoom it out so that you guys can see it properly. See? I think that's the pinnacle rock. We are still at Pinnacle Rock, and they have a market, like a small market where you can buy some of the stuff. Some of the interesting stuff actually just look like these dishes where you can actually serve snacks.
Oh, that's good.
How much?
100.
100. This one. Very nice, and this one is 180. So you can actually get some of the stuff, especially if you're traveling from far and you want to get new different things. As you can see, they have more stuff here. They have necklaces. It's just a basic market. They have a lot of different things that you can actually buy. So I would advise that you do actually check it out. Yes, your key holders. So some of the stuff is part of your memory, especially if you're traveling from far. Okay, ma? Oh, so that's see? Let me show you guys the close up and how it's tied. That is nice. And another I'm buying this one. Very colorful. I'm wearing it now even. Kitlotata ene ma. Kipatalo kay. Kon. Oh, kipatalo ko ene. Hi guys, as you can see, we are entering the God's window. I'm sure most of people are aware of God's window, and for you who's never been to God's window just like me, let's see where this takes us. I'm so excited. Last time there was so much fog we couldn't actually come here, so I'm hoping this time all is good and we can see some nice views. So I'm taking you along with me. Let's see what happens. Ooh, I love the lighting. Look at me. Yes. Okay, that was just a moment. Let's go, guys. Okay, we want to check this side. Let's see what they have here. Oh, look at the logs. Wow. Okay, some are eating something, some are gorgeous, guys. Oh, my goodness. This is beautiful. We're still on the way to the top, but this view is everything. Oh, this is stunning. As you guys can see, gorgeous. Okay guys, we are taking the stairs to the rainforest. Woo! Hectic. Now that's a workout. Remember I said you can work out while on vacation? That's a workout. So it has a lot of stairs going up. And as you've seen when we got to God's window, after that you still walk to get to the rainforest. So that's a good exercise, especially after those snacks that I told you guys about in the morning. So let's see where this leads us. You guys can see. Step right into the mud. And this is how it looks like. This is amazing. This is how it looks, guys. Show you. Look at that. This is stunning. So this is the top of the rainforest. This is stunning. Wow, we made it, guys. We made it through that. Made it alive. Guys, I'm going to end this vlog here because my phone is also low on battery. Otherwise, yes, this is the rainforest. As you can see, the view is beautiful. I would advise that you come and check it out. Actually explore as much as you can of South Africa, especially these nice places, because they look amazing. We have beautiful places right in our yard. So I would recommend that you actually come to God's Window and the rainforest at the top. Yes, the walk might be steep, but it's totally worth it. The view is amazing. So definitely come check it out. Otherwise, thank you guys for watching this vlog. I'm gonna end it here. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and tell me